How to copy YouTube video link in mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can copy YouTube video link in mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your YouTube application in your mobile device. After you have opened it up, now you have to select the video from where you would like to copy the link from. For example, I have this video right here. Now in order to copy its link, there in this interface is a share button. Tap on it. Now here is an option as copy link. All you have to do is tap on it. Now the link to this video has been copied. Now you can open up any of the text field in order to paste the link, and also you can share the link. So that's the way to copy YouTube video link in mobile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.